Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Lovable website looks perfect on desktop but breaks on mobile, overlapping sections, text overflowing, images cropped badly, buttons too small or horizontal scrolling, don't worry. In Lovable 2026, mobile issues usually come from desktop first styling, fixed sizes, column layouts, or hidden mobile overrates. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to fix mobile layouts broken in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common mobile layouts broken symptoms like text overlaps or spells outside sections, horizontal scrolling appears, images are cut off or stretched. Buttons are too small to tap. Desktop looks fine. Mobile is messy. Mobile edits break desktop or vice versa. Okay, so first thing first, switch to mobile view. Okay, so you must edit mobile issues in mobile mode. So open the Lovable editor, click the mobile view or the phone icon. So then multi-column desktop layouts often breaks on phones, so select the section, open layouts or structure settings, change columns to one column, okay, or enable auto stack on mobile. One column layouts are best for mobile, okay. So remove fixed width or height. So fixed values are mobile killers, so click the broken section or elements, check for fixed width or fixed height. So change to auto 100% and min height instead of height. Okay, so let's content define the size on mobile. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.